go.
After doing over 7 figures online, I wanted to give you an actual realistic day in the life of behind the scenes of what it's like building an online business. Because the reality is the videos that you're watching of people driving the crazy cars, having Wi-Fi money where you could just sit on the beach in your closing deals and making money and you can work 30 minutes a day is honestly complete BS. And so I want to give you actual no fluff day. So today is gonna be raw, unfiltered, the raw truth of what it's like being an online business owner.
Southside baby, calling them KB, still going crazy, we on okay. Calls from the mainstream, jewels on jewels in the chains, we tell them that life is a fake, blood go crazy.
That white one's showing off, dude, what's going on?
Oh my gosh, bro. I guess there's wild horses out here. This is like 40 or 50 different horses out here.
Please, dude, there's like 100 at least.
I wasn't sure what we were gonna do. I thought we were gonna see water and that was gonna be pretty, but seeing 100 wild horses right there. See, there's the river. Oh, yeah, it's right here. Cutting from the personal to business.
Yeah, because that's how building this business has been.
Yeah.
Like, you've come over where we live. I'm out here. We've done fun stuff. We're out here doing it now. We're looking at ponies. But also, we spent the better part of 5 or 6 hours last night into the night just going over how to target better.
Yeah.
I like that stuff.
Yeah, I agree.
Also, this is crazy, dude.
When people tube down here, it's long, bro.
Dang,
this is the worst sunburn I ever got.
Are you serious?
Being here, yeah. I was like forward and I've never burnt the back of my legs, but what's funny is my swim trunks are going like right here. And so I took them off after and it was completely red and then completely white above. Honestly, I don't know. Like as long as I could go to Chick-fil-A as many times as I want and my card keeps going through, then I know we're doing all right.
I think there's something to be said about doing non-scalable or non-like ROI things. Not all the time because you gotta make money, but
yeah,
like just going above and beyond. I don't know if it's for the love of the game, the love of the craft, because you got nothing else to do, but I think there's something to that. You know?
Yeah.
I feel like all the top guys are always willing to. Like I'm just gonna do this sport anyway.
Why would I stress about that? 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 Why would I stress about that?
All right, we just got done with the GOAT Elijah, who's, now responsible for helping agents, right, inside my telesales coaching community for life insurance agents do $300,000 to $400,000 a month in their businesses, right? But what's cool is we were talking, doing a complete breakdown of the marketing side, everything you need to know about Facebook ads, right, scaling, how to actually manage a team to be able to grow to that $100,000 a month mark. But I wanted to stop the video, right, for a quick second and like just give you the honest behind the scenes of building a business, because it is really hard. And the thing that I've been kind of thinking through and the thing that's been really challenging for me is that it feels like there's no light at the end of the tunnel. You don't know how hard you need to go or for how long, right? It's long suffering, it's challenging. There's a lot of problems that you face in your business and especially in mine, but I don't know when the end is actually gonna come. When is it actually, when am I gonna start seeing the light at the end of the tunnel? When am I gonna, right now, transparently, right? I've spent a little over $30,000 the past 2 months testing, figuring out new things, trying to hire people to help me that are further along than me, but I haven't even broken even, right, on that $30,000. And so it's challenging, but that's just the reality of the business. That's the game. That's why you continue to play. It's like a sport. It's not just, hey, I'm gonna make money and so I can buy a car, I can buy a house or buy these material things, but it's just genuinely like, I want to figure this out, because it's not just, oh, if I spend $30,000, I'm gonna double my money. Like it's exponential, right? That $30,000 can lead to $300,000 a month, it can lead to $3 million a month, right? There's different levers and different things and leverage that actually is built into the business when you actually do this. But in the real business, it's not sexy, it's not fun, it's not, hey, let's just drive our Lambos around, let's just make content and all these people are gonna love me. That's just genuinely not the reality, man. I mean, Elijah and I are on 4 hours of sleep. We were up till like literally we ate dinner after we were working for 5-6 hours straight. Right after we got off the plane, we do that, we go out to eat, we come home and we work from 8 to 1 a.m. hammering on one of the littlest things that people would think. But the reality is that is what business is like. You have to do the boring work. It's not sexy. I love the game and I enjoy it, but these things suck. Like being on 4 hours of sleep, going out, I mean, we were able to see the wild horses earlier this morning, which was awesome and it was cool, it was exciting and fun, but that's not the reality of the day-to-day. Because you're an entrepreneur, because you bet on yourself, you finally get to live your life of your dreams. Like, that's just genuinely not the case. That's just not real. And so you might be in a point in your business right now where you're pushing against the wall and it feels like it's not coming down. It feels like, dang, dude. I feel like I'm literally spinning my wheels over and over and over again. And that's how I feel right now, honestly. And we've done over 7 figures in business. I'm 23 years old, right? And I'm like, dang, I met with a mentor yesterday. He's doing like $800,000 a month. He's 26. And I'm like, dude, this is crazy, right? But he's like, you're actually onto something crazy, but you don't see it like I see it. And so it reminds me of even a client that actually came into the community. She was reviewing her numbers with me in February. She's like, I don't know, I don't think it's gonna happen. I was like, you don't know what's on the other side of this, right? So that was in February. She sent screenshots into our coaching chats. Fast forward, it's October. And so that's what, 8 to 9 months, 10 months. She's literally crossed over 6 figures in her business, right? First full year, 9 months of being on her own, right? That's insane. But she, in February, almost quit. And I was like, you don't know what's on the other side of this, right? She's almost at $100,000, literally working part-time in her business. And it's crazy because it wasn't easy, it's really hard, but there is light at the end of the tunnel if you keep working. The only way that you fail is if you quit, right? And you can never fail if you never quit. So I don't wanna make this like a motivational thing, but it's just the reality, right? It's not fun, it's not pretty, it's not exciting, but continue doing the boring work, showing up every single day, because it's really hard to beat the person who does not give up. And the question I wanna ask you is, are you gonna be the person that shows up every day, even when they're tired, right? Even if they're on 4 hours of sleep, are you gonna show up every single day? And guess what? What's cool is that that's not motivation, that's not passion, but it's a decision. It's one small decision. And the cool thing about it is that you get to make that decision right here, right now. Are you gonna be the one in your family? Are you gonna be the one that your family thanks? Are you gonna be the one in 3, 5, 10 years making the income you wanna make, being able to say yes to helping people, to giving to people, not to buying the house. I mean, yeah, maybe that's the case, but being able to, I don't know, help your family out. Do the things that you want to do. Be the giving person that you want to become. Like, are you going to be able to say yes? And the only way you say yes to that is by saying yes right now. I love you guys, appreciate you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Peace.